Okay, it's February 19, 2021, and this is one of our New Year babies over here, sitting next to me, standing next to me. She just had surgery for chronic back pain. How long did you have that back pain for, since it first started?
About 30 years.
About 30 years. Started acting up worse over the last couple of months. And you started getting pain down your right leg, correct?
Correct.
All right, now you just had the Deuk laser disc repair, right?
Yes.
And the back pain you had before surgery, do you still have it?
No,
It's gone.
it's gone.
And the pain down your right leg, is that still there?
No, it's gone.
That's gone too. All right. Well, where are you headed now?
I'm going home.
That's right. Are we in a hospital?
No, sir.
No, we're in a surgery center at Deuk Spine Institute. So the back pain can be cured, 30-year history, with a 1-hour procedure with a tiny incision, and you get to go home right afterwards. Anything you want to say to the world about your back pain and your treatment?
Well, the only thing I can say is I trust Dr. Deuk. He also fixed my neck, which is 100% better. And I trusted him, and that's why I came back to him.
Thank you. Thank you for that. And I think you're going to be very happy with your back. I really do. Just as happy as you are with your neck. Good to see you again.
Nice to see you again, too, and thank you very much.
You're welcome. All right, let's get you out of here.